Good afternoon, everyone. Today is your English language class. Everyone, take out your English language book. Language book. Chapter 8. Language book. Yes, Afrina. Yes. Adjective.
Go to what?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am go to washroom.
Okay. Yes, Rajpreet. Irfan. Yes, Rajpreet.
Ma'am, I want
Irfan?
to show you some fun. Ma'am, I made this pen with paper.
Okay, very good. Very good. খুব ভালো হয়েছে, very nice, Irfan.
Only today I will do its cover.
Okay, very good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Acha, first you just drop your hands. You just drop your hands. Yes, Mausim. Anushka.
I want to show you something.
Yes, after the class. Okay, after the class. Yes. Okay, very good, very nice.
And this is my size also. I can
Okay.
wear it also.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Acha, everyone open your English language book. Okay, chapter number 8. Can you hear my voice? Okay, so adjectives. Okay. আচ্ছা, অনুষ্কা মন্ডল।
Yes, ma'am.
আচ্ছা,
ম্যাম আমার না কাল ইনজেকশন ছিল বলে ওই জন্য আমি ক্লাসে জয়েন করতে পারিনি।
ওকে। আচ্ছা, অনুষ্কা, what is adjective? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
What is adjectives? Define the adjectives.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Rajpreet.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Do you know what is adjectives?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Why? Do you know the? Don't you know the parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, what you are saying?
what is adjectives? Adjectives.
Yes, ma'am. That I know.
Okay, so tell me.
Ma'am, adjective describe person means adjective.
Say. Adjectives.
Person
places, animal or thing.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Adjectives describe a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay. And they add meaning to nouns and pronouns. They add meaning to nouns and pronouns. So they add meaning to nouns and pronouns. What is the meaning? Ram is a kind man. How is the man? Kind man. 5 men entered the house. 5 men. How many men? How many? 5 men. Can you give me some sugar? Okay. So, can you give me some sugar? So, here in these 3 sentences, we get 3 adjectives. Kind, 5, and some. In the first sentence, the word kind tells us what type of man Ram is. What type of man Ram is. In the second sentence, the word 5 tells us how many people entered the house. In the second sentence, the word 5 tells us how many people entered the house. In the third sentence, the word here tells us how much sugar, sugar the speaker wants. So, what type, how many, and how much. The words kind, 5, and some are here adjectives. They are called adjectives. Adjectives usually come before nouns. Everybody listen. Adjectives usually come before nouns. Nouner age boshe. Adjective. Nouner age boshe. Okay. Adjectives, example, the child is happy, the soldiers is brave. Here, the child, what type of this child? What type of? Happy. Okay. Adjectives also come after nouns. This is the example. These are the example. The child is happy, the soldier is brave. Here, happy and brave, these also the adjective. But this adjective is put after the noun. Okay. Put after the noun. Then kinds of adjectives. Adjectives are of 4 kinds. Adjectives are of 4 main kinds. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, adjectives of demonstrative adjectives. Okay. So adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, and demonstrative adjectives. There are 4 kinds of adjectives. Okay. 4 kinds of adjectives. So adjectives of quality, an adjective of quality tells us about the size, shape, color, or particular quality of a noun or pronoun. An adjective of quality tells us about the shape, size, color, and particular quality of a noun. Shape, size, and color, and particular quality. I had a cold drink. So, drink is cold, now hot. Cold or hot. So, I had a cold drink yesterday. She baked a delicious cake. The cake is delicious. Okay. So, delicious cake. Cake, what type of the cake is? Delicious. Raghav is a proud man. What type of the man is? Proud. Flowers smell sweet. Flowers smell sweet. Flower এর গন্ধ কিরকম সুন্দর সুন্দর গন্ধ, সুইট মিষ্টি। It is a large box. What type of the box is large? So these are the adjective. Here these are the adjective. An adjective of quality answers the question what kind of in relation to the noun. What kind of? The noun is there. What kind of noun? Okay. So adjectives of the next adjectives of quantity. Next, adjectives of quantity. An adjective of quantity tells us how much of something there is. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity means how much. Kotota. How much. Mane kotota. Adjective of quantity. They do not show the exact number. এটা কোনো exact number হবে না, কিন্তু কোয়ান্টিটি বোঝাবে, কতটা বোঝাবে, ঠিক আছে? কোনো নাম্বার দেওয়া থাকবে না, কিন্তু কোয়ান্টিটি বোঝাবে। All the apples were rotten. Some children reached early. Many people bought the new televisions. Few people bought the radios. তাহলে here there is no number but how much, how many. Okay, so adjectives of number tells us number or position of people, animals and things. So cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3 and ordinal numbers like first, second and third are adjective of number. Okay, so cardinal number 1, 2, 3 and ordinal number first, second, third are adjective of number. I have 5 close friends. This is an adjective of number. This is adjective of number. So see, she bought 3 mangoes. Where we can see the number, here we call the adjective of number, and where we can see the adjective of quantity in measure, how much, there we call the adjective of quantity. Okay, so adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and adjective of number. And the last one is demonstrative. Demonstrative adjectives. The last one is demonstrative. Demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives which point out people or things are called demonstrative adjectives. These are 4 demonstrative adjectives. These, that, these, those. These, that, these, those. When we use these THIS, these and DHAT, that in singular, and THESE or THOSE in plural. Okay, you know this, everyone know this. So this book is quite interesting. That parrot has beautiful green feathers. These dresses are too big for me. Those boys are very noisy. So adjectives are 4 kinds. This is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number and demonstrative adjective. Okay. Acha, Shushnata.
Yes, ma'am.
Describe 2 kinds of adjectives. 2 kinds. Describe.
ম্যাম যে কোনো দুটো কাইন্ড বলতে পারি?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, ma'am. I am describing. Adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity tell us how much something there is. They do not show that exact number.
Yes.
Example, all the apples are rotten.
Yes.
Some children have reached late.
Yes.
Then demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective.
Okay.
Adjectives which point out people or things are called demonstrative adjectives. There are 4 demonstrative adjectives: these, that, these, and those. Examples: this book is quite interesting. That parrot has beautiful green feathers.
Okay.
These dresses are too big for me. Those boys are very noisy. We use these and that with singular noun and these and those with plural nouns.
Yes, very good. Very good. আচ্ছা বনশ্রী
Yes, ma'am.
আচ্ছা
Good afternoon, ma'am.
describe adjectives of quantity.
Yes, ma'am. I am telling. Adjectives of quantity that tells us about how much an object is. Means the approximate measurement of an object.
Yes.
Example: some boys are playing. Here,
Yes.
Here this sentence do not tells us the exact measurement of how many boys. It
Yes.
tells us only some, the approximate measurement.
Yes.
This is ma'am. This
Adjectives
is
of.
called adjectives of quantity.
Okay, very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nauraz Ali, describe adjectives of number. Yes. I can't hear your voice. Adjust your mic. Adjust your mic. Adjust your mic. Nauraz. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Speak. Mic ta adjust karo. Speaker ta adjust karo. না শোনা যাচ্ছে না নরস can't hear your voice. Okay. Farhan. Yes, Farhan, describe adjectives of number. Nauraz.
Adjective of number tells us the number or position of people, animal or thing. Example: five people
Yes.
entered the house.
Yes. Okay. Another. Give another example.
He bought 3 mangoes and 4 apples.
Okay. 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 So 3 and 4. This is the adjective of number. Okay.
Number.
Yes. Nusaiba.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me demonstrative adjectives. What is demonstrative adjective?
Yes, ma'am. Demonstrative adjective is that adjective which point out people or things called demonstrative adjective. There are 4 demonstrative adjectives: these, that, these, and those. This book is quite interesting. That bag is very beautiful. That these boys are so noisy. These and that are used with singular nouns, and these and those are used with plural nouns.
Okay. 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 Very good. Yes, Sirin. Adjectives of quality. Sirin, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Adjectives of quality.
Ma'am, what?
Adjectives of quality. Quality.
Okay, ma'am. An adjective of quality tells us about the size, shape, color, or particular quality of a noun or person. For example, Raghav is a proud man.
Okay. So, which is the adjective in this sentence?
In this sentence, proud is the adjective
Okay. Okay. Very good.
because it is the
Quality. It is mean the quality. Okay. Acha, Enakshi. Tell me adjective of quantity. Enakshi.
quantity.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. A adjective of quantity tells us how much of something here is. They do not show the extra number. These are called adjective of quality.
Give example.
Yes, ma'am. That example are, ma'am, like all the apples were rotten. That all is the adjective of quantity. And
Yes.
some children reach early. Some
Yes.
is the adjective of quantity. Many people bought the new television, but few people brought the radios.
Okay.
Many is the adjective of quantity. Few is the adjective of quantity.
Okay. 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 Very good. Very good. Yes. Sharnakshi. Demonstrative adjective. Tell me.
The adjective which point out people or thing are called demonstrative adjective. There are 4 demonstrative adjectives. These, that, those, and these.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Example. Give example.
Those children are very naughty. This is an interesting book.
Okay. These and that are used for singular noun and these and those are used for plural noun.
Plural.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Acha, Azadu. Yes, Azadu. Tell me adjectives of number.
Ma'am, my name is Afrina Khatun.
Afrina. Okay. Acha, adjectives of number.
Adjective of number.
Azadu,
Adjective
wait.
of tell us the number or portion of people, animals, and things. Example: I have 5 close friends. Another example: the first shop on the road sells fruit and the third shop sells vegetable.
Yes. So this is the ordinal numbers. Okay. The ordinal numbers. Okay. So, Azadur. Azadur.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Tell me demonstrative adjectives.
Adjectives which point out people or things are called demonstrative adjectives. These are 4 demonstrative adjectives. These, that, these, and those. Examples: that parrot has beautiful green feathers. Those boys are very noisy. These and that are used with singular nouns. These and those are used with plural nouns.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Acha, everyone take out your copy. Fast.
Ma'am, I have opened.
Yes, yes. Everyone open. Page number 35. Page number 35. F. Page number 35F.
And there
You
is no
these that oh পেজ নাম্বার তোমাদের সাথে আমার মিলবে না না, এটা হচ্ছে চুজ দ্য কারেক্ট ডেমনস্ট্রেটিভ অ্যাডজেক্টিভস টু কমপ্লিট দ্য সেন্টেন্সেস, চুজ দ্য কারেক্ট ডেমনস্ট্রেটিভ অ্যাডজেক্টিভস টু কমপ্লিট দ্য সেন্টেন্সেস, দিস দোজ দিস দ্যাট। এ ঐশানী অভিপ্সা, টেক ইউর
আমি
সিট।
এখানে নিয়ে এগুলো।
সুস্নাতা, show me your book, show me your book.
Yes, ma'am. Page
Demonstrative,
number 30.
demonstrative adjectives. You don't have this exercise in your book. This cat
Ma'am, I have.
this cat belongs to Mohit, but that dog belongs
Ma'am,
to
I
me.
have. Ma'am, I have.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, that is in page number 37, not 35.
Yes, 37. My book is different, okay? So page number is different.
And
Book
ma'am,
is not different. Book
Ma'am?
is the same. Yeah. Yes.
ma'am, I want to ask that from which app you are opening that book?
Yes.
Ma'am, from which app you are opening that book?
Okay. I will tell later. Okay, so do the exercise. Do the exercise. I will just give your attendance. Everyone do the exercise.
Ma'am, can I do it in my book? Because
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
don't have bring my
Yes,
copy.
yes. You do in your book. You do in your book.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Just wait. I will give your attendance. Everyone just drop your hands. Drop your hands. Kindly drop your hands. Everyone. Please drop your hands. Drop your hands. Afrina Khatun, present. Oishani Obhipsha,
Ma'am, I have
present.
completed.
Okay. Just wait. Oishi Mondol.
I have also completed.
Hey, everyone, drop your hands. I have called your name. When I have called your name, then this student just raise your hands. This student, everyone, drop your hands. Drop your hands. Drop your hands. Anubhav Khara, Farzana, Azadut. Okay. Farzana Alam. Oishi Mondol present. Oishi Mondol. Oishi Mondol.
Ma'am, can I tell which is present or not?
Hey, stop. Anjum. Yes, Anjum present. Ananya Manna. Ananya Manna. Absent. Onkita Shau. Anubhav Khara. Those who are present, just raise your hand. Onkita Shau, I've called your name. Onkita Shau. Anubhav Khara. Anushka Mondol. Anushka Mondol. Ashia Farhin. Ashmit Bosch. Raise your hand. Ashmit Bosch. Yes. Bahia Mondol. Bonusri Jana. Deepta Shi. Enakshi Samanto. Deepta Enakshi, okay. Okay. Farhan. Ishika Pal. Farzana Alam. Meheria Murshid. Meheria, okay, Meheria. Mosim Sultana. Mosim. Yes, Farzana, I have already given your attendance. Okay, tell me.
Hello,
Farzana.
ma'am.
Yes,
Good morning, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, in all in 11 a.m. I was not present, and that I will say tomorrow. Yesterday I will absent because my grandfather is died. That's why we will come in our grandmother home. That's why my mother not give me phone, so I
Okay.
don't join the class.
Okay. अच्छा, Meheria Mosim, Mausa Nayyar Sheikh, Nusaiba, Parijat Mondol, Poushali De, Parijat Mondol, Parijat. Yes, Parijat Mondol, Poushali, Pratibha, Priyankar, Raisha, Rajpreet, Soikot, Sampriti, Shouat, Shayon Shashmol, absent. Sirin, Shifat, Sheikh Arhan, absent. Azadur, Intekhab,
I'm
Irfan,
present.
yes. Nahid, absent. Nauraz Ali, Sheikh Nauraz Ali, yes, Nauraz Ali, present. Somdatta, Spandan, Shubhangi, Somdatta, Shaumak Singho, absent. Shaumadip absent. Shoktik, Spandan, Shulagna Maiti, Shodnakshi, Sushnata, Trisha, MD Sahim, Wajid.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I leave in my phone? There is
Yes.
no list.
Yes.